Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool mixing right here, and basically what this is a Saute pan, and this pan is 24 centimeters, if you can see right here. So if you can see the way how to design the pot right here, you can definitely use it to make soup, or if you guys want to pan fry stuff, or you guys want to stir fry stuff, you can definitely do all that on here. I really like the option how they give you guys the handle option here and handle option here, so that way actually get a lot more support as well, not just on one side. So if you can see on the side right here, they mentioned some of the specs that's on here, if you guys can see. But let me actually open up the product to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So they have the little lid on top, and then they have the actual pot in the bottom. Let me take off the wrapper and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so right here we have the lid, and this is what the other side looks like. So the cool thing about the lid right here is the fact that you can actually open up this part right here, or close it. Let me turn it to the other side and show you guys what I mean. So if you can see right here, it's open right now. If I turn it the other way, that closes it up. So that's actually really cool because when you guys are cooking stuff, if you guys want to let the steam out, you can definitely open it up. But if you guys want to heat it up much faster, you guys can actually close it up and keep the steam inside. And then right underneath that, they provide you guys a user guide to teach you guys how to use the product and how to maintain it and everything else. And then the last part right here is the actual pot. Alright, so when you take out the pot, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So it's definitely tall enough to give you guys enough room to actually mix stuff. If you guys look at the inside, it's also wide enough so you guys can actually stir fry or pan fry stuff on here. So maybe you guys want to cook like your salmon, or if you guys want to cook steak on here, you can definitely do all that on here. And you guys can actually make like saute or sauce or anything on here as well. And once you guys are done making or cooking the product, you guys can actually use both handle to cure wherever you guys need to. When you guys feed the material on both sides of the handle right here and this side as well, it definitely has a very good grip on here, and it definitely is a high quality material right here as well. So this is basically what it looks like on this side, and this is what it looks like on the other side right here. And you see right here, they do have the little logo as well. And on top part right here, if you can see on the handle option, they do give you guys the option to hang it onto the wall if you guys do want to hang it. Otherwise, you can just store this into your shelf or your stove top or whatever. Let me actually put the lid on to show you guys what the overall product looks like. Alright, so once we put the product together, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely looks pretty awesome, and it definitely looks like a high quality product as well. And definitely cleaning the product is pretty easy. I do recommend you guys actually use your hand to wash it if you guys want to prolong the life on the product. And for this product, you guys can actually use it for many different situations. So if you guys want to use it for like a gas top, electric stove top, or if you guys want to use it on an induction cooktop, you can definitely use it in all those situations. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let me just bring this over and test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have some leftover that I made. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty awesome. Let me actually add it to the pan and heat it back up. Alright, so I see that's heating up really fast. You can definitely see all that smoke already. If you can see right now, it's actually heating up really fast now. So it definitely works really well. Alright, so I'm going to use this pan right here to make some eggs. Let me show you guys how to actually use it. Let's turn on the fire first. Alright, so the pan is ready. Let's add some eggs inside. I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit first. So you basically want to scramble right now because we're going to use it to make some eggs. You can see how fast it actually heats up. And it doesn't stick on the bottom as well, which is pretty cool. Alright, so that should be good. Let's turn off the fire and scoop it up. And I'll show you guys how to use it on salmon as well. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is to heat up the fish. So I got some ginger on here, but let me add some oil on. Alright, let's add the fish in. Alright, so here's another point of view of the product, if you can see. So you can definitely use like a utensil to move it around, or you can use the hand right here to move it as well. So you can definitely see the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys want to test out the product, you can definitely see it actually does work. Super easy to use. You can basically do almost anything on here like I mentioned. If you guys want pan fry, stir fry, if you guys want to like saute stuff, you can definitely do all that on here. But definitely not the overall design of the product, because you guys can use it for almost any kind of situation. But that's basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing of the product, Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you are trying to look for a high quality saute pan that can use for almost any situation, like I mentioned earlier. Getting one of this product would definitely last you guys much longer than a lot of other pots and pan. I noticed because I've been using the product for a really long time, I haven't really need to change any of the products because all the products are built to last you guys for a really long time. But for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.